Hi, I'm Stefano, and in this video I'll be showing you how the new Micromine Advance Viewer helps you share complex scheduling data with the key stakeholders. Our newly released viewer is packed with the right tools for stakeholders to visualize a mine schedule sequence and access their reports. With the viewer, users can access any advanced model in read-only. On the Project Explorer, I can see all the different scenarios that belong to this specific project. I can double-click one and have access to the viewer of that specific scenario. So here I have access to the sequence, and I can progress through it in time to see what that specific scenario is actually doing. I can also open all the different design layers to give me a little bit more context of the surroundings. So here I can see all the as-builds that belong to this project. I have access to the property panels, and I can see the properties that belong to these specific solids. Now everything is read-only, so I cannot delete or change any parameter. In the dependencies page, I have access to all the different dependencies that belong to this scenario. I can quickly understand what the sequence looks like. I can hide specific ranges and open up the ones I'm interested in. I also have access to the process analyzer. A key important part of the viewer is access to all the reports. Just the same functionality as any normal advanced planner license, I can open up different windows of the same scenario. So for example, I can dock the sequence in one side and then have some of the pivot tables, for example, in the other side. So here I have access to the same reports that the user would have created. So I can quickly understand different materials, different grades, or different physicals around the schedule. Also have access in this case, the users created a specific chart with the different equipments. So I can see how those equipments are behaving, see their availability and utilization. I also have access to the spreadsheets for more comprehensive reporting. So here I can see, for example, the total value for this particular scenario, where the users created a discounted cash flow, and I got an NPV for that particular scenario. So I can open up all the scenarios and go to the specific spreadsheet, for example, to start comparing what those specific scenarios look like. And just like in Advanced Planner, I can have multiple scenarios being put side by side and being synchronized simultaneously through the animation. All this is one in a single unified front. We don't need two different licenses. Everything is in the same single license where you have access to this viewer, access to the reports, access to the parameters and properties of your different objects, and also functionalities like being able to see the dependencies, predecessor analyzer to have a broader view of constraints and dependencies of each of those scenarios. Thank you.